Rise and ground, folks. It's Sunday. We're gonna have 60 million one day. Guys, how y'all feeling out there? Guys, I'm on the way to a no heat call. This is an existing maintenance customer. She just called in a few minutes ago. She just said that the heat stopped working. I looked up our records and I think we did something to the heat. It wasn't a major repair. I don't know if it was like an igniter or something small, but I just skimmed through the report and something was done there, I think February of last year. But she said everything is working fine up until this morning. The house can't get above like 60 degrees. So guys, I'm on the way there right now. Let's go take a look and let's see what's going on. I'll see y'all when I get inside. Right. This is 80% CP. And I just got here. Just counting the blinks. Seven. Okay, let me see here. Seven blinks. Here we go. Soft lockout, limited rollout switch open. Let me just count this one more time. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Let me roll out. We'll open in 2 minutes. Rollout switch requires manual reset. So, either our rollout is open or our limit is open. That one's closed. Let me look at this one. Alright guys, this one was the one that was closed, or that was open. I had to reset. But guys, another thing, look at how dusty these burners are. And once again, we haven't been out here since last year, so I don't think we came out here for the maintenance this year. Filter looks clean. See if my blower motor turns on. Blower motor's not turning on. Alright, here we go, guys. Where's an emergency switch when you need one? Looks like that emergency switch. Alright guys, now we know why this rollout switch opened up. Let me turn my headlight off. That was because our blower motor didn't turn on. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to test for power at my heat terminal and make sure that this board is sending power to this motor. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I just got my heat wire taken off and I'm testing 115 from the board onto the motor, but I gotta wait until this thing cycles on. Let's see. And guys, you remember that small repair I told you we made? That's a brand new capacitor back there. So guys, if this motor is getting power with a brand new cap, it just could be a bad blow motor. Hold on. Hear that click? 120. Yep, this motor is shot. Yep, this motor is finito. This motor is finito. Alright guys, I spoke with this customer about the age and condition of both the heat and AC, and unfortunately they don't have it in the cars to replace the furnace now. So luckily she's in a position where this repair can get made, but one thing we always do, if we make repairs over a certain amount on the furnace past a certain age, we always explain the repair cost versus the age of the system. And like I said, once the furnace gets to that 12 to 15 year mark, that's usually when repairs and inconvenience starts to pile up. But all right guys, what I'm gonna do, let me disassemble this and take it outside and do my thingy-majiggy, and I'll see you guys when I get back inside. All right guys, I'm back in the basement, and if you want to see how I got this motor assembled, check out the live video right here. But now I just gotta put my cap in, put my bracket in, mount the control board, and then lastly I gotta fasten the housing to the bottom of the furnace. All right, let me get to it. I'll be right back. All right guys, got everything assembled. And one thing I was looking at is the relay on this board. You see the heat and cool tap there on the bottom? Look at this. There's another relay. One for continuous fan and one for EAC. You know, one thing I realized? I wonder why they never made like a detachable relay for these circuit boards. Because you guys know about the peanut relays. Basically, they're like contactors. Once you get 24 volts in a coil, it sends power from one side to another. But I never get why they never made it like optional to replace just a relay and not the whole board. I guess that's job security, guys. Once one thing breaks, you gotta replace the whole thing. All right, guys. Now we test it and we see where we stand. All right, guys. This is the moment of truth. And I checked the flame sensor. The flame sensor's already clean. And I spoke with the customer. She's getting this basement remodeled. So guys, I know this furnace didn't look this bad when we came out here last year, but she said that she'll probably have us come back out again soon in a couple months after they finish everything. But it is what it is, guys. And she got brand new filters here, so. Okay. Easy peasy, okay. Cool. And that's all there is to it, guys. And remember, if a safety trips, always figure out why the safety trips. Having a rollout switch open like that is not normal. In this case, guys, the rollout switch opened up because this unit was still trying to relight and fire up without the fan. So as a result, guys, the burner area got very, very hot. So that is what caused the rollout switch to open up. So glad we had another motor on the truck, and this turned out to be a simple diagnosis and a simple repair, guys. So there you have it, no heat, found blow motor locked up. Based on the history here, the only thing that was done was we replaced the capacitor 2 years ago. So, and most importantly, we verified that the circuit board was sending 115 to the motor by verifying 115 from heat to ground, and that eliminated my circuit board. So we just popped in a new motor, and now she's purring like a kitten. There you have it, guys. I'm gonna rock out. I gotta close up and clean up here. I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks.